Emily is an 18-year-old girl who lives in a large house with her family. Despite having a spacious room and a comfortable life, she feels unhappy. Emily carries a secret she's too embarrassed to share with anyone. She fears judgment and struggles silently, knowing that if no one knows about her problem, no one can help her. She hides her feelings, even when her parents express concern. When they ask if something is wrong, Emily insists she's fine, but deep down, she's struggling. Emily's secret is that she has dyslexia, a learning difficulty that makes reading and writing challenging. She feels different from her friends and worries they'll judge her if they find out. To hide her struggles, she avoids reading in class, pretends to be sick during tests, and watches as her grades suffer. Emily loves stories and wishes she could read as easily as her friends, but the effort it takes leaves her feeling sad and isolated. One day, her teacher, Mrs. Brown, notices Emily's difficulties and asks her to stay after class. Emily is scared, thinking she's in trouble, but Mrs. Brown speaks kindly to her. She reassures Emily that it's okay to have difficulties and shares that many people have dyslexia. Mrs. Brown explains that there are special classes and tools available to help make reading easier. Emily is surprised. She had no idea help was available. This conversation gives her a glimmer of hope. Encouraged by Mrs. Brown's support, Emily decides to confide in her parents. Though nervous, she knows she needs their help. Her parents listen carefully and are not upset. Instead, they're relieved she shared her struggles. Together with Mrs. Brown, they create a plan to support Emily. She begins attending special classes, receives extra time on tests, and uses tools to assist with reading. Slowly but surely, Emily starts to improve. While reading remains challenging, Emily no longer feels alone. Her friends rally around her, offering support without judgment. Her grades begin to improve, and she feels more confident. Over time, Emily rediscovers her love for reading and finds books she enjoys. She learns that having dyslexia doesn't mean she isn't smart. It just means she's smart in different ways. She becomes more comfortable asking for help when she needs it. Emily's secret is no longer a source of shame. She realizes that everyone faces challenges, and she's proud of how far she's come. Her parents and teachers are proud of her hard work and determination. Her friends gain a better understanding of dyslexia and become more supportive. Though Emily still has tough days, she knows she's not alone and can overcome any obstacle. Emily sets new goals for herself. She wants to graduate with good grades, go to college, and eventually become a teacher. She works tirelessly, studying and practicing every day. Her family remains her biggest cheerleaders, celebrating her successes and comforting her during setbacks. Emily's story inspires those around her, showing that it's okay to ask for help and that hard work pays off. When Emily graduates from high school with strong grades, she feels a deep sense of accomplishment. She gets accepted into college, where she meets new friends and continues to share her story. Her openness about dyslexia helps others feel understood and supported. Emily thrives in college, using the tools and strategies she's learned to succeed academically. After graduating, Emily becomes a teacher, fulfilling her dream of helping students who face similar challenges. Her classroom is a safe and supportive space where students feel encouraged to learn and grow. One day, a shy new student named Jake joins her class. Emily notices he's struggling and recognizes the same signs she once displayed. She shares her story with Jake, reassuring him that he's not alone. With Emily's guidance, Jake begins to improve, gaining confidence and finding joy in learning. Emily's impact extends beyond her classroom. She becomes a mentor, writes books about her experiences, and speaks at conferences to raise awareness about dyslexia. Her story inspires countless people, offering hope and encouragement to those facing similar challenges. Emily's life is filled with joy and fulfillment as she continues to make a difference in the world. Emily's journey is a powerful reminder that everyone has challenges, and it's okay to ask for help. Her story shows that with determination, support, and hard work, anyone can overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams. Emily is no longer defined by her secret. She's defined by her strength, resilience, and the positive impact she has on others. Her future is bright, and she's ready to face whatever comes next.